here at Nina's bridal shower. MJ! Jen! Wait! Wait kayo. Wait! Video to! Live! Live to, live. Live. Muppet. Sorry, video. Okay. I'm actually looking for the bride to be, which is Nina. Taking a video. I'm actually have this on live. Have you got Facebook? Yeah, it's on live.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, everyone's watching it now.
Oh,
yeah,
really?
I've got one viewer so far.
Wow.
Yeah, so.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it is. Everywhere around the world watching it. Yeah. See, that's Nina. That's the bride to be. Nin, you're live. Nin, what can you say to Nina?
Thank you. Enjoy life. Enjoy being married. Yun lang.
Yun lang. Okay. MJ, excuse me. Anything you wanted to say to Nina?
Congratulations.
Jen.
Take two. Sabay na tayo.
Lot.
Congrats. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye. Nina, we love you. We want baby soon, please. Yeah, baby, ah. No. Gusto ko 3 years muna.
Okay. Sel, what are you gonna? Can you say something to Nina? What are you gonna say?
Something.
Yeah, message. Yeah. This is live, sis.
What's that?
Message na.
Please, bake more scars. Okay? O, message ka Nina daw.
Che, message kay Nina. Sorry. Robs.
What's the album? I'm gonna read it.
We're going to check the food.
Homemade. Yeah, bibingka and tiramisu. Homemade. Homemade, guys.
Uy, healthy naman.
Hindi. Pina-request.
Check the food.
Wala na. Ano ba yan?
Okay, let's say goodbye. And we'll update you more